everything changed. They're spreading blankets on the beach. Yours is the first face that I saw. Think I was blind before I met you. Don't know where I am, don't know where I've been, but I know where I want to go. So I thought I'd let you know that these things take forever. I especially am slow, but I realize now I need you, and I wondered if I could come home. Remember the time you drove all night just to meet me in the morning? I thought it was strange, you said everything changed. You felt as if you just woke up, and you said, this is the first day of my life. I'm glad I didn't die before I met you. Now I don't care, I could go anywhere with you, and I'd probably be happy. So if you want to be with me, with these things there's no telling, we'll just have to wait and see. I'd rather be working for a paycheck than waiting to win the lottery. Besides, maybe this time it's different. I mean, I really